again in today's learning. We want to learn about POM. POM stands for Particulate Organic Matter, and this POM can be used as a demonstration to show what soil organic matter is in a very visual way for farmers.
We want to compare the organisms in the good soils and the bad soils. So what we are going to begin with is the good soil. So we are going to measure 100 grams of this soil. Then the bad soil, we shall also do the same. Now we are measuring the soil to be 100 grams.
In this case, an electronic digital weighing scale will be used, and as you weigh, you try to compress the soil in the cup so that it can allow you to accommodate more weight as you add little by little. To have the accurate reading, we have to remove all the spillovers from the scale so that we can remain with our initial cup with the soil.
99. It is 100. After measuring, we now put the soil into the bottle with the small fine holes. Don't forget about the sieve. This is what we do. Then we pour our soil inside. I hope we are all seeing what is happening.
Yes.
Yes. So after this, we are now going to clean our soil into the water with the bucket. We want to sieve our soil so that we can have our carbon matter. So this is what we are going to do. So what we are going to do is to clean the soil sample inside here. I hope we are all seeing what is happening.
Yes. So rinsing the soil in water will continue, and at some point a stick can also be used to stir water.
We want to make sure that we break all the particles, the ones that are breakable. It is becoming clean, but not yet fully clean. I think it is now clean.
After this process is complete, we'll now look for a sharp object. It can be a small pin or a small nail, but a sharp one. We'll use this one to punch holes on the bottle top so that it can create some small holes and will allow easy pouring of water when we are trying to rinse the sieve.
It is now clean.
After the whole process of cleaning our soil, now you have a white sieve which you will place on top of both-sided cut bottle. Then you tie it with a rubber band.
Just tight. Okay, if you can see what is happening, there are some particles that are floating and there are some that are already settled at the bottom. So what is settled at the bottom is now the sand particles. But what is floating is now the organic matter. So the sieving now continues. So we'll be shaking it as we try to separate the organic matter. So what is going into the sieve is now the organic matter.
So adding water, stirring or shaking a little bit, then we tend to leave it to settle a bit is when we seal for us to capture or get the POM that we want. Adding water into this glass will be continuous after every pour or after sieving until a point that there will be minimal or less particles floating in the glass. As we are trying to sieve, the particles will be trapped in the screen. The trapped POM can then be dried up. After drying up, then it can be weighed to give comparisons between the level of POM in fertile soils and also the level of POM in poor soils.
So in the poor soil, we are going to go through the same process so that we come out with the same thing.
By so doing this, any farmer can be in a position to tell or to know the level of organic matter in his or her soil, and will be able to know the quantity of residues to incorporate in the soil so as to build up the organic matter. We want this idea to spread to all our farmers. Kindly share it to other farmers so that they can also benefit out of this. Thank you.